Hello everybody, so I forgot to film an intro for this vlog, but this is my vlog of me going camping with my friend Molly in Tavistock. Here we are putting up the tent, and then the rest of the vlog is me going to Ireland, Dublin, because I should be moving here soon. So enjoy the vlog and thanks very much for watching. So how many people does it take to put up a tent, Molly?
Fucking 4 for a 4-man tent. That makes sense. My socks.
So we're going to be sleeping in a swimming pool tonight. Oh my god, your legs.
It's called tanning with water.
Never heard of it.
Can I have one?
So due to personal reasons, we're going to be sleeping in a swimming pool tonight.
Yeah, we just thought it might be better.
It's more fun.
Sleeping on Earth. You know, who wants to fucking sleep on dirt?
Yeah, no one.
Not us, we're bougie.
Honestly, waterbed? Waterbed who? Ooh.
I think these might need to go in a bit.
No, I think it makes it look bougie.
But then
That's the
that'll get
bougie
wet.
ratchet.
No, but then that will get wet and then we'll have a puddle in our
True.
porch. The barbecue.
I look really nice. We get to barbecue. This is £6 from Tesco? Question mark.
Oh, toilet roll!
Oh, you're pushing the boat out. I peed in the grass. Yeah.
Oh, there's our toilet roll.
This is our porch. Welcome to our porch. Anything else?
I'm bringing my own stuff in.
Get on.
You're a dick.
Did you not think about the fact maybe I should open this before I come camping and see if I have to build it?
The thing is, I did open it and it looked like, because it was all packaged, it looked like it was already...
Okay, should I take the sticker off? Do not use spirit or petrol or light or for lighting or relighting. Isn't that common
Really?
sense?
What else should it say? Don't fucking light it inside a tent.
Like your dad's. Please don't light the fire inside the tent. No, really?
My dad sounds dumb.
Go for it. Oh, God. Ooh, we got fire.
Didn't work. I didn't get it. Hang on a minute. Take one. No, they're catching fire. It's fine now. Sorry.
Here we have Molly's very messy side, and this is her bed. This is my bed, and this is my side. Except it's messy because there's bin bags. No, you're not.
The way I was holding the flame, I was like,
Well, you're an idiot then. Now you need to chuck more coals on top so that it's a smoke, not just
shut
fire.
up, you're in your pyjamas not doing fuck all.
But I asked. You said don't. I want to do it myself. I'm an independent woman.
I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever.
That's it. You've got it. That's it. Now put the thing on.
That other one's not lighting.
Oh well.
No, I will get it to fucking light.
Are we doing s'mores later?
Yes.
Okay, over here we have my area, which I'm trying to be very neat because I'm trying to keep myself good for basic training. Like I'm trying to practice the basic training about being tidy and organised. So here's my bag. I've put all my stuff back, which I never would normally do camping. My rucksack. Here is my cardigan that I'm going to wear. And my coat is going to just stay in the corner because it's wet. This is my pillow. This is my sleeping bag. That's my blanket. I'm trying to be very organised, unlike our little friend over here who's joining the RAF. Yes, Molly. Go on, girl.
Who says you need a map?
Oh.
I say you need one.
I say it. Help. Over here we have our cheese. Over here we have our platters. Over here we have an ugly bitch who just threw cheese at me. Ah! Ow, that really hurt. And then we have mini ketchup, mini barbecue sauce, and buns.
Only 7:30.
I'm fucking starving. Where's my dinner, bitch?
Up my arse.
Ooh, show me. In our tent.
Really?
Please, no. Eat that cheese, I swear. She actually made a hole in the cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She made a hole in the cheese.
I'm a caterpillar.
So, ignore my hair. But we don't have a gas thing. So we're attempting to cook. I say we, Molly is attempting to cook bacon on a barbecue. On a pan. Like so. She's not very happy this morning. Why aren't you happy, Molly?
I'm fine. I'm just tired. My eyes are swollen.
Hiccups. Plans for today are as follows. We are going tree surfing at 11. And then we're going to go down to Plymouth because we're in Tavistock. So we're going to go down to Plymouth and do something in the rain. I don't friggin' know. I had the audacity to bring my bikini because I thought possibly we would be able to go down to the beach. But it's not looking like that. So that's really great. We've just had bacon, as you saw. Bacon baps. And then we're going down to... Yeah, we're going down to tree surfing. Then we're going to Plymouth. And then we're coming back. We're going to probably make some steaks or something. And then that's it. I don't know what we're doing. We're just walking anywhere. And there's a river or a canal, I don't know. Look at the other side. Pretty. Ow! Did you just trip?
Yeah.
Did you bring a GoPro?
No, I'm going to use my...
We look so good.
I have a jumper jacket. Where is it? Let me give it to you.
You want to give it to me? Yeah. But then I'm responsible now. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful.
Yeah,
It's really bad.
falling down. It's going to have no arse to kind of grip onto it. Doing great. Actually, I don't look that dumb. I look dumb anyway, but it's fine.
You look so sexy.
See, look, yours sits like there. Mine doesn't. I'm gonna die. Oh, that's all. That's all I have to do.
You look so good. You look so good. Yeah, you just got to tighten it.
Really?
Really? You were the one complaining the whole time. I've made your wedgie. Stop being so moody. Say, don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy. Basically, Molly's in a really bad mood.
Check this for me, and they go, yeah. And you're like, fuck off. I was like, when people go, can you, don't look now, and they go like that.
Well, no, but that's a natural human response to don't look now is you look. Like when someone says, oh, don't look for a sec, like your instant response is what? Like,
I don't look because I'm a normal human being who doesn't
I
look.
do. I always look.
You're a nosy bitch.
I'm not nosy, I just like, it's a natural response for me. Like, most of the time I don't hear them and then I'm like, what? And then I'm like, oh, you said don't turn around, okay. My brain is like a Dell computer, constantly lagging.
Shit.
Yeah, basically. 40 minutes later, still not on the trees.
Right, we've signed some papers.
Look how
It's
misty.
raining.
Ooh. It looks beautiful. Very excited, very scared. I'm not very good at it's very rainy. I'm not very good. Well, I'm okay with heights. I'm a little bit scared. I am. I'm okay with heights. I cried once on a thing at PGL?
I cried once every time I went on a ride.
On a ride?
Yeah.
I've never been on a ride. I've never been on a ride with you.
No, roller coaster.
Yeah, I've never been on a roller coaster with you.
I know, I was taking a piss.
Oh, okay.
My God, Tom. So we've started, and at the moment I'd say we're quite high, but not that high yet.
It's good.
Do you just shout yogurts?
I shouted fudge nuggets. Ah, I'm safe. I'm safe. You're in a harness. Ah, you're safe. You're in a harness.
It's that first one. As soon as you get over that first one, the others are fine.
You're in a harness. You're safe. Everything's fine. You're not falling anywhere. I'm just going to keep telling myself that.
Huh? Yeah, we're just laughing at each other. Des, don't turn your feet that way, otherwise you'll slip more.
Don't tell me things like about slipping right now.
Oh no, Tash.
What?
Look at that one.
Oh.
What? Yay! Yay! It's going great. You're fine. We're fine. Stop thinking of negative.
Wait, this is that.
We're good. I'd put your whole foot.
I'm trying, but I'm short. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Helps with your flexibility.
It's all good. I'm trying to get flexible to get better at running.
See? Positive.
Positivity. Woo-wee. Oh, this is fine. It's like Olaf. This is fine. This will all make sense when I get older.
Like,
One
why
day
the
I
fuck
will
did
see
I
what this
walk in the
makes
trees?
I don't even know a Samantha. I'm holding my phone very tight and I'm very scared, but Molly's stuck. Very scared. I don't want to drop my phone, so I'm going to put it away now. Bye. Ready? Three. I jumped! How you feeling, Molly?
I'm fine.
I'm feeling good because I jumped and I finished it and I faced my fears. I'm very proud of myself. Oh,
I've just got puppies!
so basically we're waiting because it got stuck.
Somebody fucked up.
Basically somebody fucked up the whole system and now the lady's got to go all the way up there and fix it. So that's really good.
Shit.
But we're having fun.
I'm great fun.
Can you send me that video now that we've got a long time to wait?
Yeah.
I don't like it, Molly. What if it's stuck? What are you stuck on? I don't know.
That's it, so it's because you're sitting down, it's just putting it towards you so the knot can't come up properly.
Look at me.
Fudge nuggets.
You're doing great.
Oh.
That's fine, that's better. You don't want to lean the other way. Use the tree.
Ah,
What?
I'm stuck.
No, you're not.
I need to take a break. Ah.
Okay, that's fine.
Good job, you're really nearly there.
Hurry up.
Okay. This broke.
Yep. It needs to be on the other side. The rope. You need to flip it over.
Huh? Oh.
There you go.
And then I go on this side with it. Can I hold on to here? Or will I die?
I wouldn't. I held onto the rope.
Okay, let me just...
Just jump.
Okay, 1 second. 2 ticks. I just need to make sure this is really... Look at my leg pull. Go on, Molly.
Go in. Save someone. Not working with... I just hear someone say army.
The short one. Very short.
Oh no.
Wait, 8. Yeah, so I just...
You good? Just go. Right, straighten your legs.
I'm gonna land on you.
Straighten, 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 straighten. Stand.
Where am I actually going?
Into the net.
Alex, don't bend your legs.
I'd hold on to the plastic thing. Yeah. No, just the plastic thing.
Oh my god, it's alright! I've never been more sweaty in my life.
What? Now have the thing up. Got near you. Now have it up. Where are you? Oh. Is that your pet heel?
She's really sick. I mean, she needs her meds.
Sick how?
Molly's making me wash up because I cooked because she cooked last night, so now I'm washing up. Hello, how are you? Good morning, everybody. So it's the next day. It's now Friday, and I was gonna go on a run. I think I am still going to go on a run, but my teachers basically told me not to because of the heat. But I'm in Tavistock, and they're back home. I'm in Tavistock, which is, it's only 18 degrees here, and it's gonna rain apparently, although it doesn't look like it is going to. So what I want to do is I want to go on a run, but we're gonna see, because obviously I leave for Ireland at 12. Yeah, and I need to take my makeup off because I slept in it last night. So that's just a little update, and I will keep you updated obviously throughout the day. So me and Molly have just done some nice runs up hills. I also have some amazing news. I finally have my AC date to redo everything. Well, basically obviously I had to go back for my run, but my AC is now expired because my AC was last August and that's now expired. So now I have to go back and do the whole AC again, which is a bit unfortunate, but you know what, I get to redo my cog test, which I only got 57 and I needed 60 for military police, so it is a blessing really. So I'm going back to do that, and that is on the 22nd of September. I'm so excited. So yeah, it's going to be so good. I'm very happy. So get ready for lots of vlogs of me working out. I'm leaving now to go to Ireland, so I'm going to say goodbye to Molly. Hi. I'm going to say goodbye.
Oh my god, I look horrible now.
No, you don't. You look really nice. Ugh. I'm so sad to go. I really wanted, because I was having such a nice time tree surfing yesterday. It was so good. We got so much good footage. It was so much fun. But I'm gonna go now. So yeah, bye Tavistock. So it's now 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock and I'm waiting for my mum in a place called Christchurch because we're going to Bournemouth Airport, and I wasn't going to get there in time apparently to pick her up and then take her back to the airport. So I'm waiting for her in Christchurch, but she doesn't have internet connection, so she doesn't actually know where she's going. So it's pretty good. I've got my car engine running because I don't want the battery to die, because that happens to me all the time when I charge my phone, which I'm doing right now. But I just thought I'd record because I can't get any internet here. So today's going really well. My 4G is not working for some reason. But yeah, so basically I got my assessment centre date today. I'm so happy. Like, I'm real happy. It does mean in the next 6 weeks I need to like focus, eat healthy. Not a good start. And sort of just work on myself. I only work now Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but that's still 36 hours a week, which is amazing because they're all 12-hour shifts. So I'm going to be doing that, and Monday to Thursday, well, Monday to Wednesday I'm going to be doing phys. Thursday I'm at college anyway. This is dropping. So yeah, but I'm really happy. Then I start chatting a load of waffle and saying things that I shouldn't be saying on the internet. So I'm cutting this out and doing a voiceover over it. And the next clip is me at the airport with my mum because we got there really early. So yeah, anyway, I'm just waffling in this. So shut up, Tash. Excuses. We basically arrived 5 hours early for our flight. But so we've got to wait 2 hours until we can check in. So whose fault is that? Whose fault is that? Sorry. Walk of shame? You should see yourself right now.
I know. Yeah. Yeah. So not long now.
That's true. Social distancing. But Mum and Tash speedy boarding pass. I'm going back in the plane. See you later, Mum. Bye.
Thank you.
Careful. See my mum. She's standing there waiting for me, waving. Maybe my mum had separate seats because we booked separately. Alright?
First one off, you're the bloody last one off.
No, there's one more lady, but she didn't want me to, she let me go because she had stuff up the top.
I was first one off. You're bloody last one off. I've got a bloody wait.
Because I was being polite and letting people go first.
No, but I was in front of the plane.
Yeah.
In a window seat.
So was I.
With no other fucker next to me.
Same. For 2 rows, no one was with me.
Yes, lovely.
I know, I wish all flights could be like that.
Oh. Tash, did you see all the clouds?
Where are we? Oh, it was so
Out the
cool.
window. Oh my
Oh my god, the landing was really rough though, wasn't it? It was like boom.
It was a little bit rough, but did you see all the clouds? It's like in the clouds.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where it was all
lovely.
misty upstairs. Do you want me to carry it? Pass it in. Pass it in.
Come on. Come on, army girl. You carry your mother. Here we are. We've come home.
We're not home.
We are
This
home.
might be our future home. This isn't our home yet.
My home.
Do you know what? It felt like we got in the air and then we went down again. It was so quick, wasn't it?
We were in the clouds. I could have bounced off them, but not really.
It was good. I liked that flight. It was literally like up in the air and then down again. When they said they were bringing around food and drinks, I was like, is there a point? Is there a point in bringing food and drinks at this point? Like, and then when they said we're going down, I was like, oh, okay, I expected it to be like another ticket. Got foggy glasses. Maybe that form. It's so weird to be talking in Irish accent.
Please make sure you collect your luggage before leaving the baggage hall.
Obviously. No, put it up. Put it up. Stop defying the government rules. Put it up. Put it up. You're such an idiot. Okay, thank you.
Nazis fake news!
going out for drinks with some family, and this is my outfit. It's a jumpsuit, and yeah, I'm being quiet because there's a lot of people in this house. We're getting fish and chips from the oldest fish and chip shop in Dublin, I think, or maybe it's Ireland. 1913. It's been open. It's called Burdock. And I'm waiting in the car. I feel like I'm abroad on holiday. Now I'm home from Ireland and my general camping trip. Had a really nice time, and it's back to fitness and stuff and preparing for my assessment soon. So yeah, I'm also really spotty and feel really disgusting. So yeah, I'm also back on my dog. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I'm very tired, so I'm gonna go. Bye.